Yo guys, I'm back and today we are going to discuss about this baby, which is the GoPro 10. We are going straight with the unboxing, and after that I'm going to leave you guys with the review after one straight year of use. And probably some of you are wondering if it's better to buy the 11, which is right now out on the market, or just save some money and buy the 10. I'm going to leave you some tricks on how to use it at the best way. Stay tuned, enjoy the unboxing, and see you later. Without further ado guys, let's unbox this baby without breaking it maybe. Okay, packaging is quite crazy guys. The feeling of this, I don't know, it's like almost plastic. I'm going to open it. Let's see what is inside. Okay, we get a bunch of useless stuff. Oh man. Yeah, how to use it and have part questions? Probably not. This way. So we have a really short Type-C charge cable. We got some, the extra battery. I don't know. And we got this small mount, and we have the little screw here. Okay, and let's see this baby guys. Okay, a little small piece of paper here that we're going to remove this way. Okay, the looking is quite crazy guys. So guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, which was insane for me guys. It was so fun. Right now I'm going to leave you with the pros here at my right and the cons here at my left. I'm going to be straight at you guys. I'm not selling anything to you, so we're going straight. We are not going to lose any time, and let's go. So as the pros guys, the image stabilization is so incredible. I was moving this baby like this way, and the image was insanely good guys. So if you want to record really like so moved situations guys, the GoPro 10 is incredible and it's so good for it. And also the second pro is the quality of the video guys. It's so good. We can go up to 5.6.4K, which is good guys. And also at low lights, the image is good. Not the best one as a camera like this, but it is good. It is good guys, so we need to say that. For the pros, we are ended, and right now we are going with the cons guys. And I had a couple of problems with it, which are like really pain, because in some situations when I was going to start the GoPro for record like really beautiful moments, random moments that wasn't planned, so oh look at this thing that is beautiful, let's go for record it, the GoPro was stuck. Sometimes the GoPro 10 gets stuck and you can't do anything except from removing the battery and insert the battery back again. So this is one con. The second con is the battery life, which is like it doesn't exist. Like if you're recording at the most resolution, you're going to have like 20 minutes of recording, and as me that I'm recording and at 180p, I was like going for 30 minutes ish, which is not good for a camera like that guys. So battery lives are really cons. When you are recording longer videos, you are going to get the camera so overheated that it stops the video. So if you're recording a good situation, etc., and you get overheated, and it happens quite a lot, you're going to like lose some minutes because the GoPro stopped and you need to cool it, and then you can record back again, which is a pain. There is another cons, which is the GoPro app, which is not working, guys, with this one. I have a older version, which is this one, the GoPro like Hero 4, and whenever I want to connect to it with my application, it's like 100% it's working. With the GoPro 10 I have a lot of problems connecting, and like it's 50-50, sometimes goes, sometimes not. You need to power off the GoPro, start back again, try to reconnect, etc., which is a really pain, guys. I have my GoPro, I spend a lot of money on it, and I want it to work every single time, guys. I was in my beautiful road trips and my GoPro is outside of the car. I want to record something and I can't connect with my app to record. With the older version, the 4, every time I was want to record something, just connect with the app, record. That's it, guys. It's so simple. Why is not working on this GoPro 10? So, with all of these cons, guys, you're probably wondering, why are you still using it? Yeah, I'm still using it because I bought the media mode, guys, which is a workaround for some of the problems that this GoPro have. By having the media mode, which is 60 euros more, which is a lot, I know, but you can avoid some problems and make like really long videos, like 3-4 hours of videos, just by having this media mode connected to a power cable that is powered by a power bank like this one, or straight from your car. And yeah, it's quite good because in my road trips I can connect my GoPro straight at my car and I have unlimited battery life, plus the overheated stuff is not going to happen, because when the GoPro is connected to a power supply it won't get overheated, and so the video will go for 1 hour and so on, guys. So this is my trick to avoid some of the problems. So guys, now it's matter of yourself to decide if you want to buy the GoPro 10 or go for the 11. In the 11 they solved some of these problems, so probably you're not needing to go with a media mode. But if you want a better microphone than the one that is installed on the GoPro, you should buy the media mode. So guys, that's it. Hope I solved your problem, guys. Really, this video is for you, and I went straight, not talking about nothing, guys. This is my straight opinion on this GoPro 10, and hope I clarified your ideas. So guys, tell me down in the comments what you are going to buy, the GoPro 10 or the GoPro 11. Just tell me in the comments, guys. And if you liked my content of today, please follow and leave a like, guys, which is helping me a lot. And that's it, guys. So thank you everyone for staying, thank you everyone for reaching this point of the video. As always, thank you guys, and see you in the next one.